Hi everyone! If you're curious about what the easiest chess puzzle in the world is, at least according to chess.com, this video is for you. On this channel, I often make puzzle videos where I'll select a rating range of around 1200 for beginner puzzles and 2000 for intermediate. But today I thought let's do something fun and select the lowest range possible, 0 to 1. So the puzzle that comes up should be the easiest one in the system. And do stick around because afterwards I'll do 2 intermediate puzzles, just so the video is a bit more substantial and educational. But yeah, let's get started. 0 to 1, start. And it's black to move in this position. So if you're a beginner in chess, let me know if you can solve it and how quickly, because it should be easy. It's the easiest one in the system, or should be one of the easiest. And okay, we have a free knight, right? We can just take this knight. White doesn't have any counterattacks like checkmates that stop us from taking the knight, so I think we take the knight. Okay, and there's a message that says no puzzles found. Please select new themes or adjust the rating range to get more results. And here it says 100. So this puzzle had a rating of 100. So I assume 100 is the lowest it goes. It's strange that it says no puzzles found. I guess that's referring to the range we set. So 100, yeah, it seems about right, a free piece. I would assume it would have been even easier, maybe checkmate in 1. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you think that was the easiest puzzle in the world. I don't think so. But anyway, as promised, let's do some intermediate puzzles, maybe 1700 to 1800, just so we have to think a little bit. Okay, so black to move in this position, an endgame. We're down 3 pawns, so hopefully we have checkmate, because the enemy king is quite stuck, doesn't have many squares. So we need to consider the checks. We have 1, 2, plus this one, but these two are the main ones. So the problem with A1 check is they probably just block with the queen and it's check, which means we'd have to trade queens and then they promote. So we don't want to trade queens. So I think we have to start with this check on b6 because they can't block, and if king here, we checkmate on f2, which means we force king h1. And now we go b1 check. The only move is to block, and we take it with checkmate. So check, check, checkmate. Okay, and the second one, white to move. Okay, so 2 rooks and a knight each. We're down a few pawns. Do we have forced mate? Yes, we do, with a nice pattern. 97 check, forces king h8. Now it's important to note that g8 and g6 are both covered by the knight. So we can sacrifice the rook, and after king takes, the other rook comes to h1, checkmate. So check, check, and checkmate. Okay, a little bit more challenging than the 100 rated puzzle. Don't forget to subscribe for more puzzle videos, a lot of puzzles to improve at chess, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!